Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. I hope you guys are doing well. If you enjoy my videos and you're wondering how you could support me, it's very easy. Just subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts to this video, and yeah, share to your friends and family so they are subscribed so we can grow this channel together. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. If you haven't watched the first part of this office makeover, make sure you watch that one first and then come back to this video. The first part of this office makeover ended with us building this kitchen together. Now I'm just completing it, or we are completing it. My husband is helping. To then put the handles on. So the handles, this was another thing. It didn't come with any template to put the handles on, so I tried to measure it accurately so it's all on the same level when looking at it from afar. But it didn't turn out the way I actually wanted to. I was trying to do this free-handed, but at the end I had to do it again because it was not leveled. Let me just tell you what to do instead of explaining my mistakes. Next time if I'm doing this, I will definitely use a template, maybe out of cardboard or a carton, just something to use as a template, and then screw or drill the holes in. I think that is more accurate than actually free-handedly doing it and hoping it's leveled. I would use the template and still check if it's leveled. Because they were not leveled the first time, I had to do them all over again, which caused some holes, but that was okay because I was covering some of them with contact paper. So this is me putting the last contact paper on. This time I used a different technique. I used the blow dryer for the edges, which I feel it looks way more seamless than actually folding them. But whatever technique you use is actually okay. The first one I used with overlap, and this one was with the blow dryer, which you have to be careful because if you overdo it, it's gonna be too thin and it won't stick to the surface anymore. Maybe in the future I can make a more detailed video on contact paper, but yeah, that would be for another time. This is me putting the same contact paper on these two drawers here. This is separate furniture, so it's just to bring it in a little bit more. I later spray painted these handles on this furniture because it was looking a little bit off because they were the only visible silver handles in the space. So I just felt to look better and much better with the kitchen also. So I spray painted these handles here black, but you won't actually see it in this video because I did it way later. Now I'm doing some finishing touches to the office. As you can see, I've already set up the plants, picture frames, little decorations here and there. I've already placed them where they belong. Now I'm putting the posters in the frame and then cleaning up little things here and there, and I'm done. Here's the final reveal of the office makeover. You can remember the yellow wall here, and this is how it turned out. I really love the way it brightened up the space. Even the little contact paper on those doors, they blend in perfectly with the wall. I hope you enjoyed watching this office makeover just as much as I enjoyed doing it and recording it. If I have the chance to do more of this kind of project in the future, I will definitely record it and post it up here. Hit the like button if you like this video, and also comment down below your favorite part about this makeover. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.